Wednesday. Time check's about 3 o'clock. They're about to go on break, but a lot of things. A lot of things. Check this out. Got a front entrance. We're adding the Eco Wood, the plastic fiber wood decking. It's got a system. It's a pre-floating. They got that bottom rail first and they add that. This is the front. But check out what the electrician's been doing. Look at that. We got 2 fans. For a fan. Is it working now? Alright, Obed doing the fans. Beautiful. Nice. How about the other one? Does that work the lamps too?
Huh?
The lamps? Will that work the lamps?
No, yata.
No, it's over there. Nice. Turn this fan on. Yeah, we got 2 fans. And that did cool up the room off. Yes, sir, Bob. We got lamps up there and we got fans. And they are blowing good. That one's wobbling a little bit. There's Gian clearing the land. We're waiting for some more coke going so we can finish this up. That too. They got the Eco fiberboard flooring done up there. It's beautiful. That's plastic wood like Trex. Kind of pricey, but it'll last a long time. The pond is shaping up. It's a big pond. Prep wall working. Got on dimmer switch all bit? Not yet? Okay. Dion clearing the land. We're waiting for some more coke going so we can finish this up. That too. They got the Eco fiberboard flooring done up there. It's beautiful. That's plastic wood like Trex. Kind of pricey, but it'll last a long time. The pond is shaping up. It's a big pond. Riprap wall working. The decking in the back is done. Nice. And over here, they got it at 45. It's gonna meet the wood going that way. Danny planted some plants where I placed. So we'll make like a little nook here. And that's gonna be grass over here. And this part is gonna be this wood. We'll have some on the bottom. This rock they were gonna take out, I said leave it. We're gonna put a planter over here that extends out to a wood bench. Another planter here. The bench, and we're gonna put some of these African Talisais. These beauties. You'll find a few more. They're pricey, but I love the proportion, the shape. Look at that. Continuation of another riprap wall. Over here, we're going to create a pathway on this side. Fish pond is shaping up. Check out the size of this puppy. It's big. But this is going to be a water flow. This area here, low water, coils swim up. There'll be some bench here for seating. And I'm going to get some of that wood as tables. Have it lacquered up. Maybe put a Nipa umbrella on top. Looking at the kitchen pavilion. That's a special little area. There's going to be a couple decks where I'm going to plant some more plants, make it look like a rainforest. Here, plants, plants, plants. Next to the waterfall. And the koi will be swimming in here. And so will we. This area is reserved for lounge dining. Just below the kitchen pavilion. We'll have some patio furnitures in here. Outdoor shower somewhere here. I don't know yet where. We'll figure that out. But this is what I'm fascinated about. This is the pond. Inside of it. This area. Couple of riprap. Some vines. Talisai. Nice. Looking down into the fish pond. Steps, lower lounge area, kitchen pavilion. These terraces, I have lots of vegetables growing here. Got peppers, eggplants, tomatoes, all different types. And some lemons and calamansi. And there I got some trees, some fruit trees. Up there some ornamental trees. Storage room is going to be a pump room for the pond. And extra storage, that's where they're keeping the cement right now. This is a special little area. When we have little parties, this could be a little bartender area. It's got a window overlooking out. Shelving to put drinks, coolers, what have you. Let's see how it looks on the outside. See? Got our solar production line. For all the steps, huh? There's a lot of them. More solar. Jacking up the sun. Check out these flowers we got from the mountains. Nice. And they multiply. Front fish pond. Lot of steps. Purple guava. We got a camellias tree by the cliff. Another camellias tree. And another camellias tree. Looking around rocks. See?
Kejadian kuah. Kita jaga dikit bela.
Lots of pottery. Where do we place them? Ground orchid. This area is done. That ledge is for air conditioning units. That's a planter. Same rough motif. Working on fixing the lights up there. More flowers. I love this wall. One of the sardines, I call them. Or my pandesal wall.